Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We are back on rain.gg. Once again we have 300 coins in our balance. Before we get into this video, don't forget to join the bi-weekly race. There's only 5 days left, and yeah, let's get straight into the video.
Yo boys, so before we continue with this banger of a video, I'm gonna tell you guys to go over here to deposit, use code Vaulty, press it to 7 days, and you will automatically join our 500 coin bi-weekly race. And on top of that, you get 5% deposit bonus. If you register with our link, you get 3 free cases if you haven't played on Rain before. So go use code Vaulty, best code ever. Let's continue with the video.
Okay, the battle is going. Let's see some rain spins at the bottom. Okay, nothing so far. Okay, they get the sticker. How much is that? It's 12 coins. They get another sticker. That's good, they're wasting their tickets. Now give us a golden egg. Okay, no eggs. If we can get something in the fade. Nope. Okay, 2 cases left. Go down. Nice! That's an rain egg for us. Come on. Be a knife. Down. How much is that? Okay, it's 66 only. We need another hit there. Okay. I mean, at least we win. 38 coins back. Let's create a battle. We were so lucky last time when I pulled the sticker, so maybe we'll try to do that again. Go in a crown, 5% there. Junkyard. And let's see here. 5% Asimov and pyramids. We're gonna go 3 versus 3 jackpot mode. Okay, battle is going live. Let's get the sticker again. Show us the rain spins on the top. And that's a rain spin for us. Imagine if we hit it. Imagine if we get the sticker again. Come on. Nice! That's a knife. How much? 150. We'll definitely take that. Okay, they hit the 5% there. This could be bad for us. Don't be something too good. Yeah, it's about the same as ours, 160. No crown foil. Nice! Another one for us! Come on! This is going to be a good pot as well. Don't give us the Tech 9. 47 coins. Okay, 5% Asimov is the last case. And they hit. This could be bad, this could be bad. No way they get the AK. Okay, how much percent are we gonna have? That's not us. Fuck, guys. Good pot as well. 342 each. Crazy mode. And we're gonna play against the bots. Okay, no one hit. Don't wanna watch that. In last battle paid so well. Why couldn't we just win it? Go for like the same battle again. 52. 3 versus 3. Going jackpot again. No more waiting, they're getting a bot. Come on, Kennedy. No hit. No hit here either. Okay, there's a lot of low percent cases in here, so. Oh! Why couldn't that stick? Junkyard. This is not gonna pay at all. It's up to the 5%er. And that don't hit either. Fuck. Can we at least win here? No. I mean, what should we do? The luck don't seem to be on our side today, so I don't know what we should do here. How is it looking here? Let's see if we can hit a quick green maybe. That's not it. Okay, half our balance going in now. 2 versus 2, we haven't hit anything yet. This should be us. Not going jackpot mode. And as you guys know, there's only 5 days left on the leaderboard. Don't forget to miss this out. Or don't miss it out, I mean, of course. Okay, it's going. Come on now. First win of the video, please. Let's see some eggs on the left. No. Okay, no egg so far, come on. That's an egg for us. Come on, be something good now. Stop. Okay, how much is that? It's 100, okay. I mean, it's decent. They get a gold egg as well. I think there's some better stuff in here actually. Yeah. Are you kidding me? 337. We need to snipe this somehow. Can we maybe do that? I don't know what's in here. Please, can we just snipe this? Give us a good knife here. Is that enough? I don't think so. Come on, last case. Give us something. Why did I turn off jackpot mode now? Don't understand that. So close that we won as well. That's so annoying. We just have to go all in. Okay, this is perfect. Going 2 versus 2 again without jackpot mode. Now it's our time to finally get a win here. And it's already going. Come on. Let's get these eggs. And 2 eggs straight away. Let's see here. Stop. No way. They get something for 200. What's happening? Stop. No, it's not gonna stick. We need to snipe. Okay, I still believe in us. Stop. Okay, now. Now it's time. Show me something good. Stop. No way! No way! Are you kidding me? I get the sticker again! Are you fucking kidding me? What? What? What is happening? And another gold. What? Oh my god! And the AK, another gold! Look how the table has turned! Look what has happened! Nice! Finally, boys! Finally! How much is that? 648 each. That's really fucking good. Come on. Did not think that sticker was gonna stick. Now we're gonna do like this. We're gonna do one upgrade, 48 coins. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. Otherwise we're gonna end off the video. So let's see here, 48 coins. Let's see if we can get a 5x here maybe before we end it off. That's not gonna stick, but at least we doubled our money, so I'm gonna end off here. Yeah, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to use the code if you're gonna play. Type in code Vaulty, hit 7 days and apply, and you will join the bi-weekly leaderboard. It ends in 5 days, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.